Hello, this is Cottontail back with another video. This is my third video. There was another one, but I got cut off by the internet. So, this is going to be my new third one. For this one, I'm going to do the dark one because I don't know why. It just looks so weird. Ads, go away. No more ads. Ready? Just wait. 3, 2, 1. I'm turning up the volume. I'm a super monkey. Okay, so I may as well talk, right? So first of all, I only got this game a few days ago. I'm pretty sure it's Shanghai, somewhere in Japan or China. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. And, yeah, my channel name is Cottontail. I have 0 subscribers, which I really don't mind. I'm gonna try at least do 2 videos a day, but in school it might have to be 1. Because, homework and such. Such things that bring you down. Way downtown. Wee, hot, hot, hot. I like cheeseburgers. I like cheeseburgers. Blah, blah. Yay. Fun fact, I have the 3rd top score for this game. It's pretty cool, I guess. I have no name in this game. Oh. Aww. I got a skateboard. I'm pretty sure no one will watch this for at least 5 or like a year, months or something. I don't really care either way. I just wanted to have fun, you know? Cause me and my friend, let's just call him by his Minecraft name, Goldman something. I'm sorry, Goldman. I can't remember names. You know that. I can't even pronounce your real name right. Well, anyway, we wanted to become YouTubers because we were inspired by Jacksepticeye and Markiplier and such awesome YouTubers like PewDiePie. And I don't know if he had one called CL. It's longer, but I didn't want to say it out loud. And yeah. It was like about his mom being in so much pain because of like a face mask or something. I don't know. But he said he might make a channel called Goldman something. So it'd be cool if any of you guys could check it out or something. If he hasn't, I'm really sorry. I should probably encourage him or something. I mean, I'm doing this for fun because, like, my grandma's here, her dog's here, I'm babysitting a bigger dog, and I died again. But, yeah, in school, I'm probably one of those people you wouldn't notice. You see, like, in school, I always put on a fake person act, but then when I'm at home, I'm totally different. So basically at school, I'm like the person who would usually ignore you, or let's just say I like art, homework, math, and science. And then I like video games, I like TV, because who doesn't like TV? I'm serious, who doesn't not like TV? If you don't, I'm fine with that. But basically everyone in my class goes home to watch TV. But I think doing YouTube might get me off of that, maybe? I don't know, probably not. But, no one can blame me. So basically I'll be talking more often. But when I'm focusing, I will be quiet. And this time I'm gonna try to keep ads out of it. Because I had a first video on this. But, unfortunately, it was way too long to put online because my videos have to be at least under 15 minutes. Because I'm using a cool app that if you guys ever want to become YouTubers, you should totally use. Because it's awesome and free. I don't know if they'll make people pay for it in the future. I don't know. Jump. I have no idea what to talk about. Let's talk about subscribes. I've subscribed to Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, PewDiePie, I has a cupcake, I has a cupquake. I'm sorry. Yeah, sure she doesn't make YouTuber videos on that channel, but I still think she's great. She's a great person. She inspires me. I want to be like her. Except without the purple hair. The purple hair is cool, but I like my brown hair. Thank you very much. I'm trying to get the cop ran over. Is that a thing? They should make that a thing if you could get the cop ran over by a train. That would be my dream come true. I'm sorry, when it goes fast I start not being good, as you guys can see. And that weird orange circle in the top left corner is just the app that I'm using to record and then edit and put it on YouTube. So yeah, no worries, that's normal. For me, it shouldn't pop up on your screen, hopefully. Pogo stick. Whee! Whee! Yes! Happiness forever. Jump! What? That actually worked? I think my game glitched or something, or maybe I'm using a weird cheat code that I don't even know about. But that's pretty cool, I guess. I'm sorry if my voice changes, it's funny, because, it might be because of my, very bad audio or editing skills, but I guess it's fine. If you guys get annoyed by it, just comment down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you or something. To be honest, if you give me hate, I don't judge you at all. Maybe I judge you a little bit. I'm just give me all the hate you want. Whee! I just really like these games. I'm gonna try to do a different game every single time. If you guys wanna watch me play another game, I'll try to download that game again, and yeah. You see, as soon as I finish playing the game and put it online, I delete the game, like uninstall, so I can get you guys new games. Whee! I have no idea what to talk about. Because I kind of ran out of ideas. Well, I'm about to have dinner, so if my mom or dad, by the way, I pointed that out that I may or may not have a dad. Just because. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about whoever he is, because he's a traitor. He's a traitor to me. But I'm pretty sure your guys' dads are cool. I get the power. I'm sorry, that's something I just got. Yeah, I believe I can jump like a monkey. By the way, that whole time I was checking my email on my computer that is gonna break very soon. Trust me, I know. And so I was playing one-handed. Yeah, I know I suck. Oh man, I could have gotten it. Oh no, we're running out of time for the video. As soon as I die next time, it will be the end of this video. Oh, called it. Ha! JK, we're gonna give it one more try, just because I really want to beat my high score. Yes! The awesome coin collector move. Whee! Jump! 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 Okay. Yeah, boing! Boing! Okay, I am going over the time limit here. So I'm gonna try to do my very worst. Hopefully, because I'm really into this game right now. I can't stop. I might have to make a part 2. Oh, man. See, I'm not joking. Whee! Whee! Okay. Well, looks like that's gonna be the end of my video, guys. And I hope to see you again. Ads, bye. Say bye.